Welcome to the Caribbean Vegan Foodie. Today we are cooking some brown stew mushroom. This one here shot. Let's go. Here are the ingredients that you are going to need to make the simple and delicious dish. You will need some white button mushroom, some mixed vegetable, onions, cayenne, thyme, a little pimento which is optional, ginger, scotch bonnet pepper or black pepper, some scallion, a little ketchup, garlic, a little browning or soy sauce, vegan all-purpose seasoning, a tomato, and a little oil. You can find the full recipe list in the description box below. So for my mushroom, I'm cutting off the stem and I'm leaving most of them whole, but for the bigger size, I am just cutting them in 2 or 4. It depends. And yes, I washed my mushroom before. I don't think it matters since I'm going to marinate it, but it's totally up to you. So it's time to add your seasoning to your mushroom, and we're going to let this sit for about an hour or 2. I like to do it overnight sometime to absorb all this amazing flavor from the seasoning. So this all-purpose seasoning that I'm using is MSG free and it's amazing, and you can use whatever all-purpose seasoning you have at hand. And I'm also using a little bit of scotch bonnet pepper, but you can replace that with some black pepper, some cayenne pepper. As I said before in previous videos, I do not eat black pepper. I don't like it on my food at all, so I tend to use a lot of scotch bonnet pepper or cayenne pepper. I'm also using Grace browning, and if this is hard for you to get, you can always use soy sauce. So you can replace this 2 teaspoons of browning with about 2 or 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce to get the color that we're going for. Also add a tablespoon of water, and this is just to help to distribute the browning and the all-purpose season as the mushroom marinate. Now marinate for about an hour or 2 or overnight for amazing flavor. Let's cook. So we're going to start by adding some oil or water to your pot. Next, we're going to add our mushroom to our oil. After sauteing your mushroom for a minute or 2, you want to cover your pot and allow it to simmer for a bit. After simmering for a couple minutes, you will want to add your tomatoes and your mixed veggies to your mushroom. Once you're adding your tomatoes and your mixed veg, cover and let simmer for a couple more minutes. Now, we're going to mix our cornstarch with a portion of our water. Add your cornstarch slurry to your pot along with your ketchup. As you notice, it's getting thicker, the sauce is getting thicker. You can now add the remaining portion of your water. Remember to taste and adjust your seasoning. So as you noticed before, I didn't add any salt, but if you need to add salt, you can always add. Because I'm using the all-purpose season plus ketchup, I didn't need any salt, but if you feel like you need salt, you can add. Let it simmer for around 5 to 10 more minutes uncovered. There you have it, brown stew mushroom. Yes, it tastes as good as it looks. It's easy, delicious, and it's amazing with rice, mashed potato, yam, banana, green banana, whatever you want to have it with. This is an amazing side dish. Thank you for stopping by. Remember to like, tell a friend, comment down below and tell me what you think, and subscribe. Until next time, what good.